Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily make the time format 24-hour on your Apple iPhone. So in order to begin, what you'll have to do is open the settings application. Once you're in the settings application, scroll down and find the general option. For me, the general option is here. If you can't find it here, you can scroll down. It will be somewhere over this page. Okay, so once you go into the general option, you can scroll down a little bit and now we can see the option date and time. I had to click on it, and now you can see a 24-hour time. So there's a toggle next to that. You can turn it on. So now the time will be in 24-hour format. So it's currently 11 a.m. so it's showing me like this. So after 12 it's going to like say 13, 14 and go on like that. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.